like the, that's gonna...
It's gonna break something.
Crazy. How does he do that? His thing's stuck in there. His chainsaw, do you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Ah!
Holy cow, dude.